Originally called non-rusting steel, it impressed consumers with its no-polish shine, a quality that remains popular today. Stainless steel, even when made from scratch, maintains its shiny and new appearance. Old stainless steel is recycled, transforming discarded sinks, pots, and other items into new products. Tons of scrap steel are melted in a furnace, along with chrome and nickel alloys, to enhance strength and rust resistance. Enormous electrodes heat the mixture until it melts, creating a dramatic display of sparks. After several hours, the molten mix is transferred to a refining furnace, where argon gas and oxygen are introduced to remove impurities. Technicians continuously monitor the temperature and composition, occasionally adding more scrap to fuel the refining process. The molten steel then flows into molds, forming a 75-yard-long ribbon, which is cut into shorter slabs using torches. Workers mark each slab with identification using heat-resistant chalk, and the slabs are moved to another station for further processing. After a break in production, the slabs are reheated to soften them for additional processing. A rusty scale forms on the surface, which workers remove with a pressure wash while keeping the metal hot. The slabs pass through rollers, stretching the steel to over 650 yards, the length of several city blocks. Water sprays cool the steel slightly, maintaining its flexibility for coiling. The steel strip is then tightly coiled like a roll of toilet paper and moved to another station for a hot acid wash to remove any remaining scale. Burners heat the steel and then slowly cool it, relieving stress and softening it for the next steps. The steel is unwound and rolled to the specified thickness, a process that hardens the metal and closes its surface pores, giving it a shiny finish. After one final cleaning, the stainless steel strips are gleaming. The chrome in the steel reacts with oxygen in the air, forming a rust-resistant oxide layer. Finally, rotating knives trim and slit the steel to various widths according to customer requirements. The process is complete, resulting in a brilliantly finished product.